Hi, it's Aigelaine from Petroplan. Now we are with Dr. Satyam. So I'm going to begin with my first question. Why do you believe data is an asset?
So, if you think of it, data is the foundation for all the processes in our industry, and it is one of the what you call asset that has been collected for last hundred of years, right? Nothing works without data. Whether it is the first principles that we use, or whether we use simulations, everything requires data. So, data is one of the most important assets.
What are the most important new technologies in the oil and gas market?
So I think you have to look at technologies in multiple ways. Some of the things is what is the data-driven technologies are there. Second is how do we actually collect the data? That's where IoT sensors, the drones, AR, VR, like augmented reality, virtual reality, becomes an important component of it, right? But more importantly, what's next? Actually, the cyber security becomes a very big component of it, right? We have been using them, but not at the same scale. Now, as the data volume increases, the speed of data increases, then the cyber security becomes an important component as well. And then, of course, you look at the cloud paradigm. That means the cloud, the edge, the fog. Those are actually a big component for across the oil well life cycle, whether it's upstream, downstream, or midstream, right? Because now you can actually create value from the data wherever you are. And this is very important for us to run what we call maximize the value of the asset, not only oil and gas, but also the data asset.
So, what do you think 2020 looks like in downstream market?
I think one of the things that we should see a more implementation of IoT sensors going forward, and as you saw even earlier, somebody was presenting a drone solution and how successful they have been to use it, and also robots. And I think this combination of technologies will be implemented at much faster pace across the oil well life cycle, and of course certainly in downstream as well. And what I should say, I call it this: the pace at which things will be deployed will be faster than what we have been in next 5 years. All right. Thanks.